Take a high def picture of us going through the bushes here. That's that twisted tree. God, look at that. That is something, isn't it? Yeah, this is something else in here. That's where them people had their umbrella up. I guess they were fishing out there, huh?
Yeah, they're down there. Or that's the work.
I guess there's people working here. Still wonder what that was covered up over there, but it's probably a gas line or something. Big old fan over there. They've only cleaned a bunch of this up here. What the heck is, oh, that's a deep freeze. Wow. I don't know about all this. Look at that old piece of what they cautioned about. Another twisty tree. Look at this. Oh, that twisty there. That's a twisty. Oh, we can't go this way. There's a boat trailer up in the tree.
It looks.
That's probably a boat trailer for that whaler.
It probably is. It looks like it's still functional.
I bet that was hell flying around here. My God Almighty. And they pushed all this up here. They did that today because
we were here yesterday.
Yeah, we couldn't hardly get through here. Look at all the crap out in the water, all them boards and stuff. Well, heck. I still think that fire extinguisher is probably the
good example of how.
Wow, I mean, can you imagine trying to look at this splitter? Oh my God. Yes sirree, come to blow through here.
You think this might have been in the path?
You think this was the path of the hurricane?
Oh.
Tornado rather, not a hurricane.
You need a big slingshot?
Nigger shooter for sure, eh? Look at all this mess down in here. A little bit of dust in here too. Uh-oh. Got something. Dragging something up under here. There it went. That was a house down in there.
Yeah, that's the one we went and looked at.
It's totally amazing. They got that nice and clean over there. Yeah, we got plain sailing here now.
Pontoony.
Yep, that's a nice pontoon boat there. A little Evinrude or something on it.
Think the motor's still good?
I don't know. Gas line's still hooked up, it looks like. Look at that pontoon. Wonder where the pontoons ended up. In the lake, I guess.
They may well be.
Oh no, they're there. They're all just crumpled up.
Sure are, yep.
Holy moly. Good God Almighty. People got a trash can out there. That don't look odd, huh? That is something, boy. They lucked out on that house, didn't they? Good gracious. high gear here.
Oh man, you was living, huh?
Here we are. Art and James. I don't know. We're in Lake Martin, Alabama.